structure is a perfect metaphor for Sanguine owner Viktor Novikov's business philosophy. Make it big, bold, and impossible.
Welcome to Paris 47. The show is just about to start. This is the red carpet event of the season, and the guest list is a veritable who's who of the global fashion elite. You will find Viktor Novikov basking in the spotlight, while Dalia Margolis hosts the heavily guarded auction on the second floor for a group of Iago's top customers. Now, event security will keep a watchful eye on any suspicious activity, but I trust your timeless look shall fit right in. Good luck, 47.
Bold and impossible to ignore. Institutionally appointed head designer Sebastian Zato in the house.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Sanguine.
They're so thin looking.
Slim, Daniel. Not thin. Lean and strong and graceful and developed and ready.
Hey, waiter, what's up?
Hey! What God's name do you think you're doing? Please, I need help!
Welcome to Paris 47.
What?
Step right in, sir. Enjoy your evening.
Say what?
Look, it's Novikov. Dash.
you doing? You can't drag them like that.
Have you no respect?
Hell? Oh, sorry. Excuse me. You seem to have forgotten something.
Lestrades in London, for God's sake. The least you idiots can do is serve the damn things.
Yes, sir, Mr. Novikov. Right away.
Good work, 47. Time to find Dahlia Margolis.
Huh? Victor! Oh my god!
24.
I need help, please! Please, somebody help me!
All right, what's going on?
Novikov is down, oh my god! Oh my god, I think he's dead!
Thank you. Now let me do my job.
Is everything okay?
Come in, Central. Novikov! Yeah, it's me. I'm here now, and it's fun. What?
Hey, those tables won't wait themselves.
Turning on.
that's working. Okay, don't stop. Whatever you're doing, don't stop. Don't stop. Oh, Helmut. Okay, now give me ethereal. Oh, great. Okay, now caveman. I want pure atavistic masculinity. Okay, you're a Greek god, Helmut. Give me Greek god. Oh, that's fantastic.
Dahlia, Helmut here. Remind me again, where were we supposed to meet?
Second floor, Voltaire Suite, next to the auction.
Got it. You want me to drop by now, or...?
No, it's
Mr.
essential
Kruger,
that you walk
let me
the
know if you
runway.
need new bodyguards.
Do the job, then come see
Okay.
me right away.
Calm.
Wow, a real Superman.
Good evening, sir. Please come right through. If you need anything, please don't.
Call me Helmut.
Hi, Helmut.
Miss Brent, looking for anything in particular?
Campaign kicks off in the South next month. Polls are on our side. Still, I would appreciate anything that makes the opposition look megalomaniacal.
Wait a minute. Pick that up. Hello, Mr. Kruger. Mr. Kruger? Why, you little...
Okay.
Both targets are down. Great work. Now head towards an exit.
Ah, it's Mr. Kruger.
Helmut Kruger. Wow, you're handsome. Pretty girl.
Why did you chuckle? I had the airlifted in from Lestrade in London, for God's sake. Nothing idiots can do is serve the damn things. Yes, sir, Mr. Novikov. Right away.
Good work, 47. Time to find Dahlia.
How was Moscow?
Kamarov is gone. I set him up as a Langley spy. It's quite the scandal at the FSB. His death will not be investigated. Your turn.
Very well. The secrets of the global elite. 5 years of work, everything we've collected. This thing makes WikiLeaks look like a gossip rag. The pen beats the sword, huh?
I have found that whoever wields the sword decides who holds the pen. Smile, Victor. Your reputation is safe. Now run along. I'm sure you have pretty dresses to attend to. Victor, good luck with the show. I have a feeling it's going to be the one you'll be remembered for.
Good morning, 47. Your destination is the coastal town of Sapienza, also known as the Jewel of the Amalfi Coast. Your target is a former client of ours, Silvio Caruso, a brilliant but troubled bioengineer employed by the Ether Biotech Corporation. Renowned for his early stem cell research, Caruso is now reportedly working on a far more disturbing project, a DNA-specific virus able to infect anyone, anywhere in the world. Imagine a bullet, fired in any direction, passing through countless bodies without inflicting harm, invisible and undetectable until it strikes its target. A world of armchair assassins killing with impunity. This is what awaits us, unless Caruso is stopped. Our client, one of Ether's major private stockholders, wants the project cancelled on ethical grounds, but without destroying the company in the process. She has asked us to eliminate Silvio Caruso and destroy the yet unfinished virus prototype. You will also need to deal with Caruso's lab head, Francesca DeSantis, a high-level Ether employee and cutthroat corporate climber who holds intimate knowledge of Caruso's research and could potentially carry on in his place. This is no ordinary contract, 47. Caruso's virus is a serious threat to our craft and trade, not to mention our core ideals. So failure is not an option. I'll leave you to prepare. Good morning. Welcome to Sapienza, 47. Silvio Caruso's family home is right across the square. The bioengineer suffers from acute travel phobia, so the Ether Corporation has installed a state-of-the-art field laboratory somewhere below ground. Expect security levels to rise as you get closer to the virus. Good luck, 47.
Sorry, sir. Can't pass through here.
Rocco! Get down here this minute! You can't be late for your first day!
Relax. It's all good. Just gotta put some pants on.
Oh, why aren't you wearing any pants? Never mind. Get down here. We'll both be in trouble.
Oh, please. Like, you want to wait on that weirdo Caruso for the rest of your life? Come on, you gotta think big, sis. This, man, all this here is just temporary.
Oh, blah, blah. You've always got excuses, Rocco. Just like Dad. But I don't want to lose this job, and you've promised me you'll do right this time. Please, do this for me.
Okay.
Huh. Hey, go check that out.
Okay.
Whatever. You got that?
Don't hurt me! I don't like people who throw stuff. Cut it out, will you?
I'm not.
How about you show some respect? Not a sack of potatoes.
Please, I need help! What?
Young man, please behave and pick that up. Hey, where are you? Rocco! Rocco! Is that you, Laszlo? Are you trying to scare me?
Hello. Ciao, welcome. I interest you in some Vitelloni Bianco.
What the hell?
Sir,
You all right?
would you please walk away from here? I'd really appreciate it.
Talk about out for the count. Can someone please help me? I need help here. Hey, do your job. Something bad is going down. Someone might be in need of some help.
Oh no. Oh, does anybody see this? Oh no.
Calling command. Do you copy? Hey, come on, get up, snap out of it.
Hey.
What the hell?
Hey, wait a minute.
Huh. Strange. Whoa.
Nice.
Huh? Looking into some noises. Just please hold on. Oh.
That is Silvio Caruso.
You are the only one who can do it. That's what's right.
Off you go.
Huh? What the hell was that? Whoa. Huh? Yeah.
Sir, you cannot enter these premises.
Hey, you! Trespassers will— You! Don't move! Go! No sign of the target! Anyone have visual on it? Fuck it! Got a shooter! Move in!
in sight!
You have to do something about it. You know you are the only one who can really help. That's what drives me.
Excuse me, you really shouldn't be here.
Dude, you scare me.
Man, be advised we have a casualty. Stay alert. Stay precautioned. Why did you do this? Why? Hey! Help me! You gotta help me!
What the? Command, requesting medevac ASAP. We got a casualty.
Holy shit! Can anyone please help me? I need help here.
People's heads in like that. Let me see those hands.
Take him out.
That's it! Down! Let loose!